Do you know that you can see how many times your listing has been viewed and emailed from within Paragon? This tutorial will show how to obtain listing analytics for the past 120 days that you can then share with your clients. In Paragon, click on the Listings menu and select Listings. Once you find the listing for which you wish to obtain statistics, click Select an Action. From the pop-up, click View Activity Report. This report shows how many times the listing has been viewed, emailed from the system, viewed from email, and more. Plus, you can see how many agents and clients have looked at the listing. Unique agent hits refer to the exact number of agents who have looked at the listing in Paragon. If the number here showed 20, that means 20 agents have looked at that listing. Agent hits refer to how many times those 20 agents have looked at the listing. If the number here showed 50, that means, for example, that one agent looked at the listing 10 times, another looked at it once, while another looked at it 5 times, etc. Client hits and unique client hits refer to views from contacts via the Collaboration Center. To obtain more details about each of these, click Report Definitions in the top right corner. This will link you to Paragon's help site, providing specifics on each tally. Lastly, to share this with your client, click Print in the top left corner, where you also have the option to save as PDF if you want to email it as an attachment. Thanks for watching this tutorial on listing analytics. For more tutorials, please visit the NARIN YouTube channel.